Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now. Hey, welcome. Uh, yes, I've been talking about our remote income for a while here on TikTok. And right now, Lori and I are up in uh, uh, McCall, Idaho. It's a beautiful resort town. And we can do this because we have the extra income with our remote business. And before I go into that for a moment, I just want to tell you that creating income, making money is a craft. It's a skill set, and you can learn it. And our program comes with that. Not only does it come with how to create income for yourself and your family, but also it teaches you step by step by step. It makes it really, really easy. So what you get with us is really a transformation. That's what it really is taking your life from A to B more quickly than you can do for yourself. Made another $900 day before yesterday. So it's wonderful. So down below, if you are looking for income, put ready. I'll get you the information, the video, all the information you need, as well as my personal references for you as well. And it's just beautiful here. It's a beautiful morning. There's a little bit of smoke because of the forest fires, but I want you to know that if you decide to partner with us and with this great business, you're going to transform your life. You have that opportunity to do that. And that's what it's all about, is transformation. Taking your life from where you are now to the kind of income that you want. It's been about 24,000 for us in the last eight and a half weeks. And you can have that too. So down below, put ready if you are looking, and we'll see you on the inside. Thanks for being here. And I'm going to do a series on the craft of making money this month. So be talking to you soon. Put ready down below. We'll see you there.